I'll show you that picture quick, please.
Start of the week. What we on now? Wednesday. Here with Big Al, VW Rat Rods. Go to his channel. Tetris. As you can see, I've got the latest Beetle in. I'll do a full video on this. You probably would have seen it. Now the caddy's rode perfect forward. Bad Chad build off. That's road. We've had Al's friend up who's interested in the cow look. Hopefully that's a yes on that. I'll show you that now. We've got Al's rat rod. If you haven't seen it already, I'll leave a link. Brilliant, what a build. Let's have a quick show.
Excuse my horrible blanket.
No, that is...
Excuse my horrible blanket.
If you like rat rods, that's perfect. Love it. And what the plan is today, everything's for sale. I'm taking pictures of this rolling shell in a minute. Project Matey, that's going. Say, that one we've pulled out, I've put together. Hopefully, time you see this, it's gone. Whether it's Al's mate or someone else, that will go. Pulling out the Super Beetle. First one that's come out in years. 4 or 5 years. This is up for sale as we speak. One wheel still stuck on. There's this front ear out in it. But this side, yeah, it needs a bit of work. It'll need some wings, but other than that, it was what been running when it was last in the workshop. Started to pull them out to sell. We're gonna get this cut back by Al's lad Friday. We're coming up Friday after Breakfast Club. But this one here is it's gonna need floors. Gonna need floors, heaters, rolling shell. That's going. Whether I'll cut it up, I'd rather sell in one. If you're interested, hit me up. But it's got steel wheels, we just noticed. Chrome steel wheels. Do I keep? No, because I've got to get them banded for that new build. No, forget that. That was sale with the car. I think if you want them separate, let me know. But I forgot I had them on there. But I'll be lost without this lad here. We're having a right laugh. We just had lunch. No, it's been brilliant this morning. Everything's gone right out, isn't it? Everything.
Yeah, it seems to be getting more and more right the more breakfast clubs you have.
That's it. I was going to put the Tolbert inside because that's up for sale. But no, we'll leave it here, clean it up, weekend possibly. He's all up and running, that's for sale. Passat sold, like I said last week. Bus is sold. 66, I've got a few of you interested. That'll be pulled out soon, like I mentioned in the last video. But now we can get at stuff. And what's going here at the back is the caddy and Bad Chad build off. That's Tetris finished with. The caddy and the Bad Chad build off rode easy. So if you're interested in the 1303 Super Beetle or that rolling shell, Friday I'll come out and take pictures and advertise him. But at the back, love it. Thanks to Big Al. Look at that, what a day.
All I can say is, just don't ever get fat, so you can't do things in Hampshire.
But we're still going back Breakfast Club Friday for a fry up. Never been so organised since I've been here in 12 years. So we're gonna go. Anyone wants a Baja shell? Let me know. Cool. Herbie, not could be available now. Al's Mark II's having that. That's my Wizard project. Passat sold, the bay's gone. My mate Scott, that's coming home. Sorry, that's coming home to me, as well as the caddy pickup. Not for sale. 64 bug not for sale, and the hydraulic not for sale. The rest for sale, but I started to pull them out. Not yet. Look, these two will be pulled out soon. Soon as the yellow 1303 Super Beetle. If you want a project, let me know. Well sought after. He's got to go. Hit me up, vwcoco at hotmail.co.uk. Come down and we'll have a chat. That'll be taking pictures of Friday. That one's could be going. Right, 7:30 Saturday morning. You would have seen the video on that one. Today, I think, we'll try to put together the 1303 ready to sail. See about putting the front wings on, etc. Making more presentable. It was just me and the dogs today. Where are they? Here's Stanley and Doodles. There. Got packed lunch. I'll be here most of the day. May have a couple of mates popping in, so that's good. But yeah, Saturday morning. Beautiful out there again. Right, first job of the day was to get the passenger door open on the 1303. It ain't been open for a few years. Anything in there, duds? Yeah, sniff them out. Yeah, a soft hammer, a little mallet, and I use Rocket. Similar to WD, I prefer it. Mike Brewer recommended it. Just keep your handle, door handle lock. Keep spraying these. I've done both sides. Job done. Ready? Job done, boys. Dudley, come on in. Don't want nothing flying out. About half hour later, I got front wings on. Make it more complete. I ain't looked under the bonnet yet, but there's a hinge. Can't remember taking it off. I think it needs welding at the hinge bottom, but we'll have a look in a minute. Bit of a dent there, look. But he's still savable, fixable, solid. It's going to need, obviously, the inner wing welding and wing nuts, as usual. On the driver's side, work the treat. I've even done the old running boards. Yeah, it's a decent wing nut. I need a couple rears. What I'll do next week, I'll wash them next week. I'm going to do it today, it's just too hot. Got my apprentice is here. Right, while we're here, I haven't turned this engine over for 4 years since he was inside, maybe 5. I have to look back at the videos because he was inside. Super Beetle. So, let's go. It's a 1600 engine. That's good. When he come, I bought it off Kim, the previous owner. I knew her, well, I've known her over 25 years in the V-dubs. She bought another Beetle. She had this one for years. She worked for the local paper. They took it to a garage, couldn't get it running. I bought it off her. Yeah, I put it inside. This one's for sale, but it's going to be hard to let go, you know, because I've known this Beetle for so long, and it's a Super Beetle, you know, the curved windscreen and that. So it's up for sale. vwcoco at hotmail.co.uk. Yeah, just got to get a vacuum port there in a minute, blanking port. That must have gone, but yeah, I've got them running lovely. I put another carb on and a dizzy, and he fired up right away, and the garage couldn't do it. Let's go 360 if we can, or will he hang up? Yeah, I can hear compression. I've got a battery here, so next week I'll bung a battery on so we can get it running before it goes. Just cleaned off all the cobwebs. He needs some engine grease, so I'll get that from home. Possibly a new belt, but that's 360. Happy days. Obviously he's going to need a rear valance, but I've got one upstairs I'll chuck in, possibly a deck lid, so whatever I can throw in to the deal to get gone. Happy days. Once this one's gone, that one's still for sale, the cowluck. This is Saturday, I've had nothing back, so he's up for sale. Hit me up again. Starting to dig out the red one as well. When me and Big Al done the Tetris. Yep, I've just had a message for the Beetle. That's a no-go, so just come through now. So the blue cowluck's up for sale. Shocking. Yeah, it's got some nice chrome wheels. So he'll be getting pulled out. I think he's going to need floors, etc. But I'll let it go as one. That's 1 or 2, and it's another step closer to working from home, which I'll be happy with. I've got spares upstairs to shift quickly now. Herbie, I'm not too bothered about that yet. I've said about the Baja shell can go. Passat's gone and the bay's gone. Pull out the Tolbert as well next week, so I'm just concentrating on the ones I need a shift. And we'll get out of here a lot better. Not for just me, but for the dogs and family, really. You know, so... yeah, I wish it could be tomorrow. Right, I'm going to wrap this quick update up. It's getting too hot now. Dog's been good as gold. So it's me, really, that wants a shift. So the cowluck bug, still up for sale. Give me 900 quid. Gone. Complete. Yeah, needs welding, but included new panels. 900 quid. 1300 engine. Interior's all in there. Cheap project. Want gone. 1303. Again, give me 1200 quid I want for this. I'll put it up for 15 locally. 1300 engine. Cool Super Beetle. Come and view it and talk. So around 1300 quid, but I want 900 for the cowluck, no less than that. Then it's the Tolbert I'm going to pull out next week to clean up. Get that gone. It's going in Classic Car Weekly in a couple of weeks' time. So, but if you want him now and you're watching this video, hit me up. As usual, vwcoco at hotmail.co.uk. If you're local, you want the Badger shell, give me 250. Cool Badger shell. The bonnet lifts that way. It's cool. The chassis not included, that's mine. Smooth dash, doors, heater channels are there but need work. Yeah, it's just a shell. Aftermarket, sunroof. Cool project with someone, yeah, it needs repairs, but it's fiberglass, easy. Got a cool look to it, wider wings, 250. Get out of here. That's it for a minute. If you want a rolling project needing floors and probably heaters, all the wiring's there. If I've got wings, I'll sort you out with some wings, but with the chrome wheels, they're worth a couple quid. Give me 500 quid. I'll get that if I broke it easy. So you got the gearbox in there, or the V5. We're putting that one out soon, so I'm not putting a price on that. Project matey, I'm breaking now because I need bits for my car inside the new project. And that's the bad Chad build I'm not touching yet. So there's not many to go. So help me clear out and help me get back home and start work and get on with my own projects, please. Like, comment, subscribe, buymeacoffee.com. I've got Amazon wishlist if you want to support. Pop out anytime down in Plymouth, sunny old Plymouth. I haven't said that too often. Beautiful. What else? I think that's about it. Any spares you want, I'll quickly show you. Come on, let's go upstairs. Front beam, he's back up for sale. Time waster, brought that back. Because it's got a toe and eye. I was been converted to a right-hand drive. No, it's had a new bracket for the steering damper, you knob. Right. Stoney, I've got your wings. Right, hubcaps. If you need hubcaps, I've got 6,400 of them. Do a set for like 50 quid. That's gone. Numerous repair panels. Ridiculous. Maybe a set of floors. I'm not too sure yet because I've got to work out what I'm taking home. Steering wheels, I'm not too sure. It'll be quarter lights. Exhausts. Plenty of exhausts. New panels. Front aprons, rear aprons. Everything but the kitchen sink. Rear lights, I'll go through them, all my rear lights. I'm going to start pulling them out soon. Yeah, bumpers there, I'm going to have to sort out. Well, I've got a Desmo roof rack, classic car Desmo roof rack. Now, it's NOS, new old stock. Sorry, Duds, that's my gear doors, like NOS doors for the gear and the interior. Yeah, they're up for sale. I've got some chrome strips. I'm keeping them wheels for a build. Whatever else I find. I've got some visors, the outer ones there. So that's cool. Yeah, mainly repair panels really. I've got hundreds and hundreds of them. If you want a job lot, give me a shout. Got bonnet springs, all the little smalls, badges, boot springs, handles. You name it, I bloody got it. Right. Come on then, boys. Let's get on home, eh? Get a pasty for dinner. And a barbecue for tea. Mrs. Coco's out with the family. Granddaughter's graduation, which it's too many people there I'm missing, so it's not too bad. But I've come out here for a couple hours today on the Saturday. I won't be here Sunday. No way. I'm going to go home and see if I can get on with the splitty, because Anthony's finishing because paid someone to do it and they didn't finish it off. Typical, innit? Yeah, I'll leave you with this view. We're getting there, look. Started to clear and it's looking a lot better.